Hello, it's Jonathan Johnson here today working with Cisco Packet Tracer again. Today we're going to be troubleshooting common EIGRP issues. Our objectives of the activity are troubleshoot the routed network, identify and make any necessary configuration changes, verify connectivity, and the background preparation is you have received several complaints from your customers the day after you performed a network migration. Over the weekend, the network was migrated from RIP to EIGRP. The senior network engineer is counting on you to resolve the issue. You were instructed to use EIGRP and an AS number of 10, which is an anonymous number of 10 for EIGRP. Use the troubleshooting techniques you have learned throughout the course to isolate and reconfigure any devices necessary to reestablish network connectivity. So step 1 is going to be to isolate and correct any configuration errors. Isolate the problem with connectivity test. So we're going to select PC0. Alright, we got PC0. We're going to ping and trace route to the other workstations. So we're going to ping PC. We'll start with PC1. We'll ping PC1. Desktop, IP configuration. Copy. Desktop, command prompt. Ping. Paste that IP address. Alright, we got a reply. Now we got a reply from PC1. Go to PC2. Get the IP address. Ping. Paste. Alright, we got a reply from that one. Now PC3, desktop, IP, copy and paste and get that IP address. Copy. Ping it. Whoops. Alright, we got sent 4, received lost 3. Alright, now we're gonna trace route tracert, and we're just gonna do one of them because they're all gonna be 30 hops. They're all gonna do the same thing. Alright. So we trace routed that. So now we're gonna trace route PC1. Copy, paste, tracert, paste that. Alright, now that the tracer route is done, we're done on PC0. Now we're gonna select PC1 and ping trace route to the other workstations. Oh wait, we just did that. Never mind. Now we're going to select each router and gather information. So we're going to select each router and gather information. Alright. So we'll start with router 2. Go to CLI. Enable for privileged exec mode. Show IP route. And then it shows the route for the IP address, which we pulled up earlier on the hops. Then we'll go show IP EIGRP neighbors. Okay, and then it shows for process 100 EIGRP neighbors. Which there's no neighbors for that. And then we're going to go show running config. Interface 00 is running. Interface 0/1 is running. 000 is running. 0/1 is running. Interface VLAN 1 is not running. The net router EIGRP 100. That probably is going to end up going to 10 because 100 is not going to work. Alright. That's router 2. Router 1. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go show IP route. Alright, then it shows the IP routes just as usual. Directly connected, directly connected, directly connected. Show IP EIGRP neighbors, which process is 10. The last one was 100. That one's correct. Show running config. Fast Ethernet 00 is going, FA01 is going, or FA001 is down. Serial 0 is going. Interface 0/1 is shut down. Router EIGRP is set for auto summary, and it's set for 10, which is correct. Alright, go to this router, do the same thing. Enable show IP route, and it shows the directly connected serials. And then we're going to go show IP EIGRP neighbors. Alright, this one actually has neighbors, so it has a 172.16.3.10 with a serial interface 1/1, hold time 13 seconds, uptime 17 seconds, 40, 1000 RTO. The sequence number is 5, count is 0. That's the only neighbor it has. So that one has a neighbor. Show running config. Alright, spanning tree, interface 00 is going. Interface 0/1 is shut down. Serial 1/0 is running. Serial 1-1 is running. Interface serial 1-2 is shut down. Interface 1-3 is shut down. VLAN 1 is shut down. Router EIGRP network is set for auto summary, and it has the anonymous number of 10. So that one's correct. Alright. Now we got one more router. So we'll go enable and go show IP route. Show IP route. Alright, and it shows all this connected and what's connected and where and how. So then we're going to go show IP EIGRP neighbors. And this one has a neighbor. 172.16.3.9. Interface serial 0/0/1. Hold seconds is 14. Uptime is 18. Sequence number is 6. RTO is 1000 and the count is 0. Then we're going to go show running config. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0 is up. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1 is shut down. Interface Ethernet or interface serial 000 is running. Interface serial 0/1 is running. VLAN 1 is shut down. Router EIGRP is 10. That's correct. It has the networks and it has auto summarization set up. Okay, so that one's good. The router 2 is one that had a 100 set up on it, which needs to be changed to 10. So now we're going to make the necessary configuration changes. So now we're going to go to router 2, which was one that had the 100. So we're going to go to conft and go no router EIGRP 100. Enter. Alright. Then we're going to go router EIGRP 10. Enter. Alright. Then we're going to go network 192.168.3.0. Enter. Then we're going to go network 172.16.3.0 space, we'll go 0.0.0.3. Enter. Alright, then we're going to type in this one, which is network 172.16.3.4 0.0.0.3. Enter. Now we got that one, the serial interface up to new adjacency for the neighbor. So we're done with router 2. We're going to go to router 1, go in and go conft to configure terminal. We're going to type in no router RIP. Enter. Alright. Then we'll type in router EIGRP 10. Enter. Then we type in the network 192.168.2.0. Enter. Then we type in the network 172.16.3.0 space 0.0.0.3. Enter. Now that one neighbor is set up for adjacency. Alright, now we got that router done. Alright, then we also got to type in network 172.16.3.12. Space 0.0.0.3. Enter. Alright, now that one's also set up for adjacency. And notice that completion went to 100% on this video. I hope you learned a little bit something about troubleshooting common EIGRP issues. That's all I have for you today. Check results. Congratulations on completing this activity. And completion 100%. Thank you. Have a nice night. Bye.